Introducing the Tohnichi 220 Nm torque wrench tester with motor-driven loader from Flexible Assembly Systems. This advanced tester is the perfect solution for verifying the accuracy and performance of your torque wrenches. With its wide torque range of 2 to 20 Nm, it can accommodate a variety of torque wrenches used in various applications. The tester's motor-driven loader ensures efficient and automated testing, reducing operator fatigue and increasing testing throughput. The Tohnichi 220 Nm torque wrench tester features an impressive accuracy of 1%, providing reliable and precise measurements. The tester's digital display makes it easy to monitor test results, while the multiple measurement modes allow you to tailor the testing process to your specific needs. With its versatility, accuracy, and user-friendly features, the Tohnichi 220 Nm torque wrench tester with motor-driven loader is an indispensable tool for quality control professionals.